In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your paragraphs horizontally stacked instead of vertically in WordPress. This can be particularly useful for creating a clean and modern layout on your website, ensuring that your content is both engaging and easy to read. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub where you can control all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page or the post where your paragraphs are originally located. You'll want to make sure that the paragraphs you wish to adjust are there, ready for editing. Next, you'll need to switch to the text or code editor. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, you can also opt for a custom HTML block. This step is crucial because it allows you to directly manage and modify the HTML and CSS for your content, which is necessary for adjusting the layout. Now, it's time to wrap your paragraphs in a container. This is an important step. It allows you to apply styles using CSS, which is the language we use in web development, to add style to our web pages. Using either inline CSS or defined classes will help you organize and present your content effectively. Proceed to add a div tag around your paragraphs. You can use an inline style with the following CSS properties. The display flex property is part of the flexible box layout module that allows your content to adapt its layout to fit different sizes of screens or windows. The gap 10px property will add some space between each paragraph, ensuring they don't appear too crowded or difficult to read. After you've wrapped your paragraphs in the div, remember to click Update or Publish. This saves your changes and makes sure they're reflected on your live site. It's always a good idea to double check everything before you publish, ensuring that all changes are correct and appear as you want them to. Finally, view the page. Take a moment to ensure everything looks as it should. Your paragraph should now appear side by side horizontally instead of the traditional stacked vertical display. This new layout can greatly enhance the overall design and functionality of your page. Keep in mind, if you wish to keep these changes organized, you can use a CSS class instead. Define the class in your style sheet with the desired properties such as pipe horizontal text, and simply apply to your content. This method is highly recommended if you're planning to do multiple edits, as it keeps your HTML cleaner and your style separated. That's it! You've successfully adjusted the layout of your paragraphs in WordPress. We hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to experiment with different styles and settings to find what works best for your site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.